Hey everyone, welcome back here to another Oki's Chef. Today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make this pork steam egg, and it's very easy and it's very delicious. If you want to see more recipes here, don't forget to hit subscribe and like onto the video. We got green onions, shallots, 4 eggs, shiitake mushroom, and ground pork. For the shiitake mushroom, make sure to hydrate it and then chop it into very fine pieces. And we will also need chicken powder, and we also need a soy sauce. This is a Kikkoman brand. Now once your pan is hot, make sure to add a tablespoon or 2 of vegetable oil or a canola oil. For this one, I'm actually using a avocado oil, which is a really good one. Don't use olive oil, I don't suggest that. We are going to be adding 250 ml for the 4 jumbo eggs. If it's a smaller egg, I would add less water. Now after you have properly mixed the egg, add the cooked shiitake mushroom that we used separated earlier, and then now add the ground pork as well. We're gonna just mix everything all up in here. Now all you gotta do is stir it for a little bit just to kind of distribute the ingredients that we just added. And then the next step is we're going to be adding the 250 milliliter of water for the 4 jumbo eggs. And then now we're just going to mix it again, just making sure everything is distributed well. The next thing to add is the shallots, so don't forget about your shallots. We're gonna add that here. All right, so the shallots is going to bring in so much flavor. It's got that sweetness, caramelization from that shallot. It's gonna be very delicious. If you don't have shallots, I guess you can try doing onion, but I would really recommend to go find shallots because the shallot flavor is so good. Now the next thing that we're going to be adding in here is just a pinch of salt. This is going to add that flavor for the steam egg. The next thing that we're going to be adding is the bouillon cubes or bouillon powder. So this is going to be a chicken flavor bouillon. We're just going to add roughly about a teaspoon of it, not a whole lot. You can go a little bit more than a teaspoon just to add more flavor. It really depends on how much you are making. And then once again, we'll mix it again in here. All right. After we mix it, we are now then going to add about a teaspoon of soy sauce just to add some color for the steam egg. Not too much. Now, lastly, we're going to add the chopped green onions. All right. Now, get your steamer ready. This is our method of doing this. You can also do a hot bath instead. So instead of having that metal that we're putting the bowl sit on, you can just directly put it on the water. So you don't really need that. So it can be done with a hot bath as well. So after about 20 minutes of cooking, depending on how high your heat is, so if it's pretty high, maybe you should do like 15 minutes. You should be able to see that the egg has now solidified. Make sure that there is no water oozing out as you're poking it. Now all you gotta do is slice and serve. I actually ate a lot of it. I would say 80%. My mom ate like 20% of it. It was really good. This is super homey cooking feeling for me because this is something that is very delicious and it's very simple to do. So if you guys want to try the recipe, let me know in the comment section. If you guys do something similar, I know there's Korean style. It's very different than a Korean style though. But this is just creamy, fluffy, and delicious steam egg. All right, so let's try this. The meat, we're like underneath. So you get the fluffy egg on top. Fluffy, just melts in your mouth. Eat this with rice. Yep, that is good. Simple, easy, very quick ingredients that you need. It's not very challenging. I would say level, easy to medium. Wow.